Hey there, today we're going to look at Vertex Tax Software Tutorial 2026, so let's get started. First, go to the Vertex website and sign in to your account. Over here, enter your login details and open your main dashboard. Then wait for the system to load all your tax tools and settings. After that, go to the Setup section and connect your business systems. Over here, integrate your ERP e-commerce platform or billing system so Vertex can sync transaction data automatically. Then save your integrations to continue. After that, open the Tax Configuration panel. Over here, choose your tax jurisdictions and apply the rules based on your business needs. Then enable automated rate updates so the system keeps everything current. After that, upload your product and customer data. Over here, make sure every item is categorized correctly for tax purposes. Then let Vertex assign the correct tax codes to each product. After that, go to the Calculation section to review real-time tax results. Over here, check if the system is applying correct rates for each state or region. Then adjust any rule if something doesn't match your compliance requirements. After that, open the Reporting tab. Over here, generate automated tax reports for sales tax, VAT, or any other required filing. Then download or schedule these reports to run monthly. After that, enable automated filing if your plan supports it. Over here, choose the jurisdictions and confirm your filing details. Then let Vertex submit your tax returns on your behalf. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.